Hi guys, this is Daniel from F&D. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get dispersion effect in Picsart. So let's get started. First, open your image inside the Picsart. Then click on Tools, Dispersion. Then reduce the size of the brush and brush over the area of the person which need to get dispersed. Don't brush outside the subject. After finished brushing the area which need to be dispersed, click on the right arrow on the top right corner. Click on the size tab and reduce the size of the dispersed pixel to the minimum value and stretch the dispersed pixels until it reaches the edge of the image. Then change the direction of the dispersed pixels according to your image. I'm going to slightly increase the size because it looks too small. You can also change the blend mode, but I'm going to leave it to normal. Then click on the tick icon on the top right corner to proceed to the next step. You can also add effects to this image. I'm going to add the HDR effect. Click on the effects and HDR. Now to save the image, click on the right arrow key on the top right corner and save it to your gallery. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get quick notification if I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.